So last night our team was racing in the Monster Energy Supercross Series Round 1 in Anaheim, California. Today, we're in Banning, California, taking a look at a 23 by 45 by 14 awesome garage. Come on. All right, so as you guys can see, we can do a building pretty much anywhere. This building right here is tucked away behind the house. We're in a nice neighborhood, looks really nice, but the building's hidden, and that's the way they like it. The garage door is already open, looking really nice. It's a 12 by 12 garage door right here. You've got your walk-in door right here. Horizontal sides, we've got the brown trim, tan sides. Really nice for that California look that everybody loves. All right, so coming inside this garage right here, 23 feet wide from one side to the other. We've got a 14-foot side height, 16-foot peak height, and we're 45 feet long. Really like the inside of this garage, mainly because he used these braces to put his lights on. And you know, braces kind of aren't the most beautiful thing in the world, so throwing the lights on there really gives them another purpose. So Ray ran electrical inside his whole entire structure right here. As you guys can see, flip on, flip off. Really nice way of lighting this building was on the braces. Really like that feature. Something to think about when you guys get your building installed. Our customer right here also is a welder. And so what he did is he actually welded and did his whole entire own loft mezzanine structure. So as you can see right here, walking around, it just adds a lot of space. Essentially, you're doubling the amount of space. You store what you don't really need up top, but you might need in a pickle. And then you've got all the stuff that you use on the daily right here. Ray owns his own business, and this garage is really helping him keep going. So this garage door right here is a 10 by 8, really easy for that back door access. It rolls up, rolls down, super simple and easy. I'll show you guys right now. As you guys can see, all of the walls here are finished. He finished these with drywall, did some really nice paint on them, and did the mud and tape just like you would need to. On the back side, on the inside between the skin of the building and the actual finished wall, he has R16 fiberglass insulation throughout the whole entire building. That way he can heat and cool this building anytime he'd like. He said his heating and cooling, all he really needs is this small heater, and that does the job for the whole entire structure. So if you get good insulation, what you find is you don't need a big heater, you don't need a big air conditioner, and you can really regulate the heat and the cool in one of these buildings. So I want to talk about the size of a 12 by 12 garage door. As you guys can see right here, it's 12 foot tall, 12 foot wide. Really good for smaller RVs, smaller trailers, things of that nature. If you do have a semi or you do have a really big RV, you're going to want to go with a 14 by 14 garage door. Make sure that you guys can do that, and then also you would have to go 16 feet tall in order to accommodate that size garage door. Just something to think about if you guys are in the market, you have big RVs, you have semis, or you just have a regular one. This 12 by 12 will really do the part. Talking about the process of getting a metal building like this installed in California, the first thing you're going to want to do is call your local building authority. Make sure that you can put up a building of this size in your neighborhood. Then you're going to want to see about getting some as-built engineered drawings. Pretty much anywhere on the West Coast, you're going to need as-built engineered drawings and possibly some calculations. So talk to them, make sure that you guys can get one of these buildings in the area, and we'll be happy to work with you. This is Tony here with BigBuildingsDirect.com, here to give you guys the information you need so that you can get the metal building of your dreams. Well guys, if you like that building and you like our buildings and this turtle right here, hit that subscribe button. Keep watching our videos. Thanks so much.